The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, alloy wheels, keyless entry, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, power door locks, MP3 playback stereo, daytime running lights, tilt steering wheel, rear spoiler. Your new ride is just a phone call away.